Welcome to the CAT Tourniquet video tutorial, one-handed application to upper extremity. Insert the wounded limb through the loop formed by the band. Apply tourniquet proximal to the bleeding site. Pull the band tight and securely fasten the band back on itself. Adhere the band around the limb. Do not adhere past the rod clip. Twist the rod until bright red bleeding has stopped and the distal pulse is eliminated. Place the rod inside the clip, locking it in place. Check for bleeding and absence of distal pulse. Adhere the band over the rod, inside the clip, and fully around the limb. Secure the rod and band with the strap. Prepare the patient for transport and reassess. For more information about the CAT Tourniquet or any NAR products, please visit www.narescue.com or call 888-689-6277.